Hi Definites! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and I hope you're doing great today. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and as you can see in the title, this is going to be an exciting video. This is one of my favorites video to make where I try new products. I know this is not going to be new to you anymore, but this is new to me. This is why I'm very excited. But before we proceed with the video, I would like to ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share this video to your friends, and also ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. For today's video, I will be having a one brand tutorial of the brand Focallure, and I have been wanting to get this palette. So for today's video, I only have 1, 2, 3, and 4 products that I got from Focallure. One of the many good things about Focallure is that it came in a very safe packaging. They have a bubble wrap or a distinct wrap to make sure that all the products will arrive to the destination safe and sound, and also they are cruelty free. Enough with rambling, because I am very excited as you are, or even more excited as you are. So let us start with this video. I will show you the product one by one, and let us start with the foundation. This is how it looks like. This is the Focallure Skin Evolution Fluid Foundation with SPF 15, and I am in the shade number 5, which is Natural Tan. I'm hoping this one is my perfect shade. I already have moisturized my face, so on this part I will be using a sponge, and on the other side of my face I will be using a brush. And let's see which tool performs better with this foundation. I've heard a lot of good things about this foundation, so let's see if I would be able to attest and vouch for it. Again, this foundation, guys, is cruelty free. It's very nice of Focallure because their products are cruelty free, and it contains 31 grams. Alright, so it comes with a pump. But the lid is not very safe, I guess. I think this is my right shade, so it's perfect. So this side, I'll use a sponge. Oh wow, I think it is the right shade for me. According to reviews, guys, this foundation oxidizes. So let's see if it does. Wow, you can see the coverage. It's really nice. It's very easy to blend, and I got the perfect shade for me. Wow. You know, when it comes to buying foundation online, you can never tell if it's the perfect shade for you because there's no way that you can test it out. But I guess this one is really a good shade for me. I have a morena skin tone or a brown skin tone, and it leaves a dewy finish. You see, guys, a little goes a long way, and I love the coverage. Oh my god, you guys, this is a really nice foundation, I say. And on the side of the face, I'm going to use my kabuki brush, and then I'll just add a few pump or a disc of pump. Okay. This is a really nice foundation. I did not expect that it is really good. I mean, yeah, for the price, it only cost 125 pesos because I got this on sale. So for the price of the foundation, this is really good. So let's see if it can cover the blemishes and the pimple mark that I have on the side of my face. So we need to build it up. Anyway, it's very buildable, and it's dewy. It's not matte, but I don't see any problem with dewy foundation because you can still set it with a powder. Okay, so on this side of the face, I can still see the blemishes. So I would say that this is a medium to full coverage or sheer to medium coverage, but we will see if this is really buildable and can cover up to full coverage, because it claims to be a full coverage foundation. But the finish is really nice. I like that it's a bit dewy. Again, guys, I don't have a very oily skin, so a dewy foundation is not a problem. Okay, so I'll just add a few or a little bit of foundation just to make sure that it can cover the blemishes that I have. I think I like the finish using the sponge rather than the brush, but it looks more natural. I think I should add one more, just one more. Just a pinch of the foundation. You know, after layering the foundation a few times, it does not mess up. It doesn't look cakey at all. So this is a very good point. I will just use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to brighten up my dark circles. To set my face, I'm going to use this Banseer translucent setting powder in the shade number 2. I also love this one. So after setting my face with a translucent powder, as you can see, it mattifies already. So you can still use a translucent powder to mattify your face. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to show you is this one. This is the Focallure Ever-Changing Eyeshadow Palette. I got this for 290 or 270 pesos. And voila! This is the Ever-Changing palette from Focallure. It has a film and a brush. So these are the shades. How beautiful is that? I love this yellow color. Since yellow is my favorite color, I really love this. So for today's look, I'm going to try. Anyway, I have primed my lid already with a concealer and I've set it, and let's try to use the brush that comes with it. Anyway, I think I will give you some swatches of this. So let's start with the glitter eyeshadow. So it has 4 glitter eyeshadows. Okay, and I'll give you a swatch with the laser. Oh, look at that. That's laser. This is Season. Great. This is, let's see, this is Glow. And last shimmer is Sunset. So this is Sunset. So let's just get started and let's try to create a cut crease for hooded eyes since I have a hooded eye. Alright, so I'm going to use the palette as my transition shade. Or if you have hooded eyelids, make sure that you put or you apply your transition shade on top of your natural lid, which is right this one. So your transition shade should be underneath the brow bone. So it's right here. The brush is too small for my liking, but it's so pigmented. Okay, I'm going to use my own brush. And then you just have to blend it inward and outward. Always remember that you need to create an illusion that you have another eyelid, or an illusion of a new eyelid or a bigger eyelid. So you have to blend, or you have to apply the transition shade underneath your brow bone. Do not focus it on the crease, because if you do, it will not show up. You know, the intensity of the color or the pigment really relies on how you hold your brush. I like to apply like an intensity. I like to be more intense, so I'm holding it like this. And then I will use the shade Fall just to add more depth and warmth. I'm still using the same brush. It has a bit of fallout. It's very powdery. Okay. Do the same thing underneath the brow bone. And then you can also apply it on the crease. Next, I will take the shade Walnut. This is to add more definition. Oh my goodness, sorry. This is to add more definition and depth to our cut crease. And this time, I will try to focus it more on the outer V. and then I will bring it forward to the inner corner. This is what you notice. The color has intensified already, but I would like it to be more dark or darker. Okay. Now I will bring it forward into the inner corner. Using another blending brush, I will just blend them all together. And the last shade that I will be taking is the shade Mist. This is the darkest one for the outer V. For the cut crease part now, I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and then I will just apply a concealer on the center to make a cut crease. And then taking the shade Sunset, I am going to put it on top of the concealer. Now let us apply the shade Fall to blend them. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to use the shade Walnut. For my mascara, I'm going to use the O2O Big Fatty Mascara. I'm done with my eyes. So the next product that I will use is this Focallure Face. This is the Blush, Highlight, and Contour Palette. When you open it, it looks so lovely. So this is for contour, blush, and highlight. Wow, you guys, can you see that? So pigmented, so be very careful. Oh my goodness. To highlight my nose, I'm still going to use this palette. I don't think it's very pigmented. Here, is it? No, it's not so pigmented. Okay, let's try to make it work. There you go. Now moving on to our blush. Of course, I'm still gonna use this one. I'm not sure if it would complement my skin tone because I think it's so bright. But here you go, guys. Oh, still not very pigmented. There you go, let's color pay off. Where is the pigment? Right there, Focallure. So I'm trying to make it work. Now for the lips. I have here a lipstick. This is the Focallure Ultra Chic Lips. I will be using the shade number 13 Wine. Guys, it's still cruelty free and it looks like this. Wow, it smells like a bit of chocolate and mocha and vanilla and wine. I already moisturized my lips. So let's see. Wow, this is a striking color. So that's the lipstick. As you can see, it's very pigmented. The color payoff is so superb. I like the color, and then I fix myself and get back to you.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
So this is the look that I have achieved using Focallure products, and the foundation is so nice. And my favorite is the ever-changing palette. The palette is so gorgeous. The color payoff is so nice. And you can play with it. Actually, you can create a lot of looks using one palette. And the lipstick is also a steal for me. So Focallure, you did a very outstanding job. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this one. If you do not forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, or ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. Always remember, you are beautiful with or without makeup. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!